Hey there, I'm Parikshit Agnihotri. Are you ready to take your web design skills to the next level? Well, you have come to the right place, as today we are covering the top courses for web design on Udemy.
Welcome to Mitson.com, your hub for Udemy discount coupons up to 100%. Need top freelancers for your business? Mitson has got you covered. Also, connect with expert instructors for enriching online classes. Start learning and growing today with Mitson.com. Do like and subscribe.
Now, let's dive into the best web design courses on Udemy that will transform your life. Course 1: 10 mega responsive websites with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript build 10 big and complete responsive websites with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Course 2: Complete Web and Mobile Designer, UI/UX, Figma, plus more. Become a UX and UI designer. Master mobile and web design, user interface plus user experience, UI, UX design, HTML, and CSS. Course 3: Complete Web Design from Figma to Webflow to Freelancing. 3 in 1 course. Learn to design websites with Figma, build with Webflow, and make a living freelancing. Course 4: CSS The Complete Guide 2024, including Flexbox, Grid, and Sass. Learn CSS for the first time or brush up your CSS skills and dive in even deeper. Every web developer has to know CSS, and with that, we have covered all the courses in this category. Don't forget to enroll in these fantastic courses. Links to all these amazing courses mentioned in the video are provided in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video.